Get noticed in this 2001 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: central locking, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.